Ever pondered the complexities of designing and coordinating building systems? It's a task that requires precision, a keen eye for detail, and the right tools. One such tool that professionals in the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, or MEP fields rely on, is the Fabrication CAD MEP. This software is a part of Autodesk's Building Information Modeling, or BIM, suite, and it plays a pivotal role in the detailing, fabrication, and coordination of MEP systems. So, how does Fabrication CAD MEP work? Well, it begins with modeling. Users create intricate three-dimensional models of MEP systems. These models include various components such as ductwork, piping, and electrical conduits. The goal is to construct a virtual representation that's as close to the real thing as possible. Then comes detailing. The software allows users to specify components in great detail. Whether it's fittings, valves, or other elements, users can input parameters and details to ensure an accurate representation. The next step involves coordination. Fabrication CAD MEP acts as a facilitator, coordinating between different MEP systems and other building components. This helps in identifying potential clashes or conflicts early in the design process, saving a lot of headaches during the actual construction. Once the coordination is complete, the software moves on to documentation. It generates fabrication-ready drawings, schedules, and other vital documents needed for the construction. Detailed plans, sections, and elevation views are all part of this stage, providing the necessary roadmap for fabrication and installation. The software also offers fabrication outputs. With this feature, the software can optimize fabrication processes, such as automatically generating spool sheets. Spool sheets are detailed drawings used by fabricators to create individual components of the MEP systems. Collaboration is a crucial aspect of any construction project, and Fabrication CAD MEP facilitates this. The software can integrate with other BIM tools, allowing different stakeholders in the project to collaborate effectively. This real-time collaboration boosts efficiency in communication and coordination. And finally, the ultimate goal of Fabrication CAD MEP is to improve efficiency and cost savings. By streamlining the design, coordination, and fabrication processes, the software aims to reduce errors, save time, and cut costs during the construction phase. In summary, Fabrication CAD MEP is a comprehensive tool for the construction industry, specifically tailored for the MEP disciplines. It provides a platform for detailed modeling, precise detailing, efficient coordination, thorough documentation, optimized fabrication, and effective collaboration. All these features work together to improve efficiency and save costs, making it an invaluable tool in the construction industry.